Okay, here I have already the list of pages to be tested. Okay, I can also have the first level of the sitemap, the first level, the second, the third, and the fourth. Okay, like for example, I have a menu, then I have a submenu, then a page, and then another page. Okay, then I call this sitemap. Okay, and I create this in this way. Okay, then you can format if you want. Okay, double click here. Okay, merge as a table. Oops, I'm going to do this. This one is going to be as a table. Okay, and then I'm going to do the form. If you remember, I can have market, department, and category. Okay, I can also skip this. Here I want to know here category. Okay, and it's included the right list. Okay, and then I'm gonna create here a data. Here I created also your data. I can at the end create a copy. Okay, I'm gonna delete this. This is my data. Okay, select all. I format the priority. I don't need this one. Okay, it's my holiday. These holidays I will show you this later. This one also format as table again. Okay, and okay, if we need them here to use market, but we're not using markets here, we have only category. I'm gonna select this and data validation. It's a list, and this is in data. This one, range categories. Okay, so we have this. So I'm going to do very close to the previous one: market website status, URL test scenario, market website status or website status, the URL, the owner, the priority. That's the scenario, the owner, the priority, and the day. I will show you this later. Okay, what is this? For the websites, and is here is one. list the source data here. We have this. Only if you have names, okay, it can be a department. Okay. The validation. It's a list. And it's this. Okay. Priority here is data validation. To the priority. Okay, day is going to be evaluated. I will show you how. Let's say that we have a new page. We can put with input. Okay, and I say start testing date. Date, and then is okay, so it's like this. Insert. So we're going to do the following. Okay, here we had 11 of May 2017, the center. We're going to give some border. Then you can do as you want. Copy the target. So this is RNG. Start testing date. This will RNG target and date, and this is RNG last testing date. Okay, so here we are. Now the testing date here, the priority, okay, according the day is evaluated is as follow. Okay, if this is equal to H high priority, then I want to have in the first week done. This has to be done. Okay. If this is equal to H, then I'm going to work day, start day, then how many days? 6 days. Here we are, this one. That I call range holidays. Okay, otherwise, if this is equal to medium, okay, here we are. And this is to be Control Shift arrow down, center, right, in this format, or whatever you want. Okay. Okay, if I input here H, you see faster, I'm going to just copy the category, okay, the website status. Okay, I have these two here now. When that user have to follow owner is the person in charge. Okay, so we set up our table. Now we're going to continue setting up our table, including the data for browser and devices combination.